Hello, this is Garemore. Again, I still got COVID-19, so apologies for the voice quality. This is a Humidistat, a wireless Humidistat based on the Arduino. And the receiver is over here at the power outlet. It controls my humidifier. Is plugged into that. Said my humidifier is plugged into that. Here we have a DHT11 humidity and temperature sensor, but we're only using the humidity part of it. And then here we have our 433 megahertz transmitter and the heart of the device, the Arduino Uno, and our humidity and set points on our LCD display. And then we have buttons to change the set point, up or down and up. The humidity gauges are synchronized now, more or less. It has to get 2 degrees below the set point for the humidifier to turn on. You see over here, the humidifier is on. And there's an indicator light on the remote switch box as well. And once it gets 2% above the set point, it turns off. I like to keep my humidity high when I'm sick. That's why it's set at 55%. Here's the program that's running on the microcontroller. First we include the RC switch, wire, and a bunch of Adafruit libraries. And then we have things for the OLED display. Sorry if I said LCD, I meant OLED. And then we have all these stuff for the DHT sensor. And then some more variables stuff. We set our pin modes and stuff. You read our temperature and humidity readings. This -5 is our calibration setting. In the future, I'm going to make that adjustable. And then we have our set point. Or not. This is the magic part. If it gets below 2% below the set point, we send out this code. And then if it gets 2% above the set point, it sends out a different code. And then just stuff for reading the buttons and delays and all that. That's it for this. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and support me by buying from my eBay and Mercari stores. Both links are in the description. Oh, by the way, here's the original remote for this switch box up there. Goodbye.